Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm just out here with the Dange, chilling. Oh, where are you going, Dange? And I'm going to do the intercooler piping. So I'm going to take off the front bumper. I'm going to start fabbing up all the aluminum stuff. I'll probably have to make a bracket for the intercooler itself. And we'll see how far we get. So that's what I'm going to do now. It's going to be today's video. You can also just check out the turbo flange, which is another video I did, where I made up the piping to adapt from a stock manifold to a T3 manifold, so you can run a whole set on the OM606. And yeah, we'll get started. Alright, so got my impact gun, an 8, 9, 10, 11 socket. Should be all I really need to get this thing off. And I watched the video. It didn't seem like it was too bad to do. So I should be able to do it right in front of you. So I fought with that bolt on the side. It's a rusted piece of crap. It's pretty much completely inaccessible due to the AC stuff. So, because I don't really like the car, and I think these things suck, I'm just going to rip on the bumper, and hopefully it snaps or something breaks and the bumper comes off. I don't know. You guys, we have to see the carnage though, because F the 210. Like, this is probably the worst thing I've ever had to work on. Everything on this thing just sucks. It's horrible. Alright, now the bumper's off, we can take off the intercooler. As you can see, there is a stock intercooler, but it is very small, especially compared to what we're putting in. Hopefully this comes out easily. Once again, not just easy. There's a backing nut on that. Probably one on this side too. Stock intercooler. Pretty wimpy, but better than nothing. And then I guess I'll pull out, I don't know, gonna take a look at my intercooler and see how much farther we need to go with this. Alright, so here's my intercooler. It's actually a pretty awesome fit right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off these top tabs and just weld up something to support underneath and go to that main brace that's right behind it. And that's going to be how this is mounted up. It's pretty neat. I've never actually seen an intercooler that looked like this, the way it's like wedged and triangled kind of. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, it's pretty cool. So for my bracket, this is what I've come up with so far. I need to drill a hole there, but that's the angle. This will go on to the intercooler. This side's actually got both the holes in it. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to kind of weld in a little bit so that these have some support on the angles. And I'm going to trim them up so they also have less depth under the car. But those will end up being the brackets, and I will show you me kind of like finalizing them and getting them good to actually go on the car right now. Oh, and I do plan on using my old flex core welder for this because I'm set for aluminum on the other and I'm about to go back to aluminum. So. Sweet. So, got the intercooler all mounted up. Pretty happy about that. Looks good. It's nice and tucked in there. Brackets are definitely strong enough for it. And it's able to use those factory holes. So now that I have this in place, I can start kind of piecing together what I'm going to do for intercooler pipe, which is awesome. So, don't know if I'm going to end the video here. Might keep going on intercooler piping. Not sure. But if you enjoyed it, like, subscribe. You can catch me on Instagram at Lowristocrat. And maybe that's it for now. Or maybe I'll keep going. I don't know. Either way, have a good day.